Hi, welcome to WR Infotech. Today we are checking out the Acer Nitro powered by Intel Core i7. Check this out. So, the Acer Nitro with an RTX 4050 graphics and one of the most popular budget gaming laptops right now. Now, if you caught my last video reviewing ASUS G16 ROG Strix, that absolutely beast with an i9 and RTX 5060 graphics. You know that was a premium machine. So this Nitro, the cost is nearly half as much, but let's see what you are really getting for this price. Today we are putting this Nitro through its pace, testing game, checking the thermals, battery life, everything you need to know before buying. So first up, the design. It is got the classic gaming laptop look with a sharp angle and red accents. But what surprised me is how sturdy it feels for the price. The matte black finish does a great job hiding fingerprints, and you get all the ports you would need: HDMI and USB-C, even the Ethernet ports. It has a 16 GB RAM, and you can upgrade both the RAM and SSD later. So there is an extra slot for each. So it is supporting up to 32 GB, and the SSD also upgradable. Okay, let's talk about keyboard and screen. The 144 Hz display looks smooth for gaming, and the keyboard has a nice RGB lighting with a decent travel. It is not the brightest screen out there, but for the indoor gaming it is get the job done. Now for the important part, the performance. In game like Fortnite, you are looking at 120 plus FPS on high settings. The more demanding title like Cyberpunk will run around 60 FPS on the high without ray tracing. So that is actually pretty impressive for a laptop at this price point. It does get warm when pushing it hard, and the fan can be get loud. So that is the trade-off for this kind of performance in a budget laptop. The battery life is what you had expect, about 4 to 5 hours for a normal use, but you will want to keep in plugged in for gaming. So is the Acer Nitro worth it? So you are looking for a solid 1080p gaming performance without breaking the bank. Absolutely, it is not as powerful as the premium option, like that Asus tricks we looked at. But for the half price, that is a trade of many games will be happy to make. Let me know in the comment what you think, and if you want to see how it stack up against that trick, again the video link above, and please go and watch it, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.